In this video, I'm going to quickly explain how Base44 is free. If this helps, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. The way Base44 works is very straightforward. When you simply log in to Base44, you get free tier credits automatically. That means you can start using the platform without paying upfront, which is great if you just want to test it out or use the basic features first. Now, it's important to understand that these free credits do have a limit, so you won't have unlimited access forever on the free plan. But the good part is that the credits refresh every month. So each month, you get a new batch of free credits again, which lets you continue using Base44 on the free tier. So to keep it simple, Base44 is free because it gives you monthly free tier credits when you log in, and those credits reset every month. That's it. If this quick explanation helped, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.